Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over some technical analysis on a couple of stocks that we covered on the channel. My apologies, it's been a little while since I've made a video. Been a little busy, but we are here this morning to go over the charts and talk about what they are telling us and where the price may go. We're going to start off with Zion Oil and Gas, ticker symbol ZNOG. Look at the 180-day 4-hour time frame and talk about some type of movement in the near future, whether it be up or down, or hell, who knows, maybe we just go sideways and just wait. We'll see. But looking at ZNOG, your floor 7.5 cents, your top about 28 cents. Currently the MACD indicator actually just crossed over from bearish to bullish, however not a whole lot of volume to kind of hold the price up. Your current support line is 17.75 cents. Falls below there, then you're looking at 15, which you see we've hit several times. We've gone below that and we bounce off of 15. The one thing I will say right now, that if it comes down to 15 again, I'm just not sure if it'll hold. We'll be able to hold down here at 15, or if we'll break below and start kind of trickling back down. But that is, it seems to be somewhere where people come in and do buy up the dip and push the price up. The thing to watch right now for ZNOG, in my opinion, is the Golden Cross breakout, and we did fall below. As you see, that blue line fell below the pink, so we are trading below that line. If we get back to, let's say, roughly about 22 cents, then these lines cross over again, and that typically signals there's a bigger move coming, whether it be in the upward direction or downward direction. In this case would be the upward direction, which if it gets to about 22, and then even if it kind of falls back down to 20 and holds support, you should see some more upward momentum coming up. However, if we cannot get back to, if we can't get above 20 cents, if we can't break that resistance line, in my opinion, I think we go below there and we go back down and retest at 15. So again, if we get to 15 and you break below there, you're looking at 12 and then eventually 7.5. Okay, so that's Zion Oil and Gas. We're going to take a look at Tesla. Oh, Tesla. Okay, so currently 479.38, your overall tip top. Tesla actually fell below the Golden Cross line as well, and your support currently right now 375.93, your resistance of 415.47. Think you need to get back to roughly about 460 on this one here in order for the Golden Cross to get back above and start making its way back up. Okay, so this one, I think it does have some, unfortunately, some more potential for a little bit more downside, or at least some consolidation here in the 300s, upper to mid 300s. Alright, which stinks because that means TSLA also has some more room for downside on the, this is a daily chart here. As you see, we had a nice leg up, we consolidated, we broke. The daily chart, we're actually still at Golden Cross breakout indicator, actually still at blue line, still above that pink. And so it's not looking exceptionally terrible. I mean, it has, you know, this is an aggressive move, obviously, but it's aggressive in regards to Tesla, because when Tesla moves, this moves 1.5 times that move. So whatever Tesla does, this is going to look like a really, really big overreaction on the TSLA side. So something to keep an eye on for Tesla. 1872 is your resistance on TSLA, and then 23, a big major resistance there. If it gets past 23 at some point, that means Tesla is starting to move back up, and then you're going to eye 27 and then 32 and then 41. I still think we're going to eventually get back to that 41.50 level on TSLA. That's just my personal opinion. Okay, Amazon. Let's take a look at Amazon, and let's go to the 4-hour on Amazon. So Amazon 259 was your overall high, and then actually we're undervalued right now. We're still haven't crossed over on that Golden Cross just yet. Fell down. If we find some support right here, which it looks like we are, and we start making our way back up, that would be a good sign there. Let me draw the fib level here and see. It actually doesn't even give me a low for the 180-day 4-hour time frame. So we'll just kind of have to guesstimate what the support and resistance lines are. Resistance currently of about 237, 223 is your support on Amazon. Last but not least, this is what's going to, in my opinion, kind of drive the markets the rest of the week, is NVIDIA, because they have earnings this week. They have it on the 19th, which is tomorrow after the market closes. Alright, so I'm not sure what to expect on NVIDIA as far as earnings, but I will tell you I do expect it to fall back down to about the 170s and just kind of consolidate and wait. And in my opinion, I don't see any reason why the earnings would not be good, and I see it start making its way back up. So for me, if it dips a lot tomorrow, I'll probably come and add some more to NVIDIA and just let it sit there and do its thing and just kind of hang tight, because if you zoom out and look at the overall chart of NVIDIA, yeah, it has some down times, it has a little bit of volatility at times, but all the way down here, $94 all the way to $212, and in my opinion it's going to eventually get back to and go to $300, but it's not going to do it overnight. Not going to do it overnight. So another one to keep an eye on in regards to NVIDIA, which typically follows the AMD, and AMD has had a massive move. As you see here, they had earnings on the 4th, and they shot up from 157 all the way to $272. Actually, man, that's crazy. So this one could potentially follow NVIDIA, moving back to the upside if indeed NVIDIA does have some good earnings tomorrow. So keep an eye on that. But that's all I got for you in this one, guys. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we will catch you in the next one.